On the Ickonic .connect the news show this week, why are Klaus Schwab, Yuval Harari, and Elon Musk agreed on so many things, including connecting the human brain to AI and the universal basic income? And then a whistleblower in the United States, a military whistleblower, has said that actually aliens are real and they found the craft and aliens are visiting Earth. I remember someone was ridiculed mercilessly when he said that 25 years ago. I can't remember who it was, but I seem to remember it. And then Jacinda Ardern, the former Prime Minister, thank you God, of New Zealand, has been made a dame by King Right Charlie. Why? For services to human enslavement. That's the Ickonic .connect news show from 7 o'clock every Friday, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.